Alright guys, today on SR Performance we are changing the crankshaft sensor on a 2006 Hyundai Santa Fe. And we try to do it from the top, but it's kind of complicated, so we decided we're going to do it right here on the bottom. As you can see, we're taking this little shield off. There's one bolt, two bolts, and then over here there's another one. 10 millimeters, we're about to take those off, and we'll be able to see the crank sensor. Once we get this off, we'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, we're back. We took the shield off already. 1, 2, and then 3 bolts over here. You can almost see the sensor through there, but if you come over here to the side, get this camera in there, you can see it right there. It has a bolt right there, and it has a wire hanging that way, right on top of the starter. You can see it right there. So what we're gonna do, it's I think it's a 10 millimeter. We're gonna take that out, then slide the wire out. Once we get it out, I'll let y'all know how to do it. Alright guys, you can see there's a sensor right there. I have the light on there so you can see, but right now there's a little bolt right here. You can see the light is bright. You just take out the little bolt. It's right here. And then you go by the wire. Here's the wire. Grab it by the wire, and then see if I can get a better view right there. Get it by the wire, start pulling it out. Boom, you can see it coming out of that hole. And there it is. So now you just pull it back, disconnect it from over here. Alright guys, so this is what the sensor looks like right there. And you can see this wire goes up to that connector right there. Cuida la luz aquí, Cuco, por favor. Right there. It goes up to that connector right there. So just get the connector. If y'all know how to do it, just squeeze the clip. Once you squeeze the clip, it'll come out. Alright, luz la Cuco. Porky, Cuco. There's a connector, and the connector's still up there, as you can see it. It's right under this wire. Let me move the wire anyway. There's a connector right there. So this just plugs in. This just plugs in up there. And then here's the sensor. So, let's do it. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. Okay guys, if you are standing in front of the vehicle, the crankshaft sensor is going to be directly under the valve cover. Where's the flashlight? Google has it. Oh, Google got a flashlight. Hold on. It's going to be directly under this top, right to the bottom. And then, like I showed y'all right now, you get it from the bottom. I try to get it from the top, but